Good morning, guys. It is 5:30 a.m. and yeah, I'm up and ready for work. Don't look at me being so energetic. I am dead inside. Like, guys, I'm literally so tired. God has to do what God has to do. So I'm up. I've got a booking for Millwall versus, I don't even know, I can't even remember, but yeah, I'm going to do a quick shift for them, and then after we are having a girls' night. I feel like we definitely need a girls' night because it's been a long week of working, and like all the girls have got a lot of stuff going on throughout this week. So I feel like it's just time for us to go and let loose, have a cocktail, have good food, and yeah, just have fun. So decided to vlog today. I'm gonna take you guys with me, so stay tuned. And first of all, let's just get to work and make some money, because money is definitely needed. So yeah. Anyway, guys, I am about to leave. I have to get the 5:48 train, and yeah, it's a long journey, but we move. Guys, my bag is all packed up. Like, the amount of stuff I have in here, just because after work I'm not gonna come back home, so I have to take everything with me. But it's so heavy and so huge right now. Like, I don't even know how I'm gonna carry it, but let's see. We made it, guys. Me and my bag, we are at the station now. Oh, my train is coming. And I always have to run for train, I don't know why, but my train is here now, and I'm out, guys. Guys, I made it. Literally, my map skill is not really that great, so I'm so surprised that I found my way. This is really shocking, but I'm here now. My way. This is where I'm gonna be today. So I don't like places like this. I don't even know if I'm going the right way, to be honest. But I'm not even seeing the entrance. Oh, it's a bit sticky. Hey guys, so finally made it inside. It was a bit of a hustle to get in because there was no security at the door and I didn't even know where to get in. But I made it now and I'm all changed, ready to get in action. And I will see you guys in the next 8 hours. Hopefully I finish exact time, but if not, I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, I've literally just finished work. I don't even know my way out. This way. I finished work for today. It was amazing. I feel like I'm going the wrong way. Oh, I'm not. Okay, now it's time to party. I can't believe I finished work this early, but I'm not even going the right way. Hey guys, so we're all dressed up. It's not going through. Ready to hit the street. We're running late, by the way. We're running really late, but we look cute. That's what my outfit right now. Shaking jacket, we're sharing jacket.
When you guys are shaking, I'll be laughing at you guys.
I promise you.
Oh, this actually goes with my outfit. Thank you, Adama. Look, it goes.
Okay, you can hold my bag. I don't even want to hold the bag.
Esther, look. Doesn't it go with my outfit?
No, it goes.
Thank you.
Okay, hold it.
Take the jacket, innit?
Okay, you take my bag. How about that?
No, thank you. Listen, I'm
She's
jacket
so
or
quick.
short jacket.
I don't even think you need a jacket, you know.
You
It's gonna ruin your
I'm
dress.
gonna be cold.
Babe,
It doesn't matter.
I am
We're
not
gonna
you
be
guys. I'm
You're
not
gonna
you
be
guys.
inside, though.
Sorry.
Listen, first of all, we're late and we're trying to decide whether to take a jacket or not.
Taking my jacket.
Guys, the cab will be here in 1
I rock
minute.
you guys, okay?
Let's go get him. Let's go have fun.
It cold really quick.
That's me.
Are you ready?
I also had to take a jacket. I was like, mm-mm.
She's looking so pretty.
What to go for? Are you going to Congolese?
No, we're not. She look. But we want to try Congolese food, maybe a starter or something.
Congolese starter.
Yeah, we didn't tell the time. What about the time? Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Listen, you have to eat according to according to your money, yeah? You were turkey.
I don't even eat much anyway.
wait, what? English, come again. Shut. Can you open it?
No, this club, yeah, you're gonna be dancing for me. That's a no-no.
What's the name of the place again? We went to
Which one?
this
Deluxe.
place. The Lux.
Is it Deluxe?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Deluxe.
Deluxe.
Okay, the Lux was really nice. I definitely think that we are gonna come back. Are we, girls?
For the food, of course.
Yeah. Now
Listen.
we are on to our next location. Destination.
We're going to turn up, act a bit young, you know, because we are young. I'm 21, she's 21, she's 21, no, she's 19.
I'm 18.
I am not 28. Where's
You're
my
the-
birthday? Wait,
you're the-
I'm 28. Isn't it? No, wait.
I'm 2028. No, she said she's 8.
Listen, I am 17.
Confused that
18. Who was this?
Me. Oh my god, that food
I have
was
to
really.
mix it.
I should have asked.
Oh my god, you mixed literally everything.
No, I didn't.
I feel like it's strong.
I can't have it strong. Try it.
Listen, it's been a long night. It's almost 4 a.m.
That's
We're heading.
nothing.
It's nothing.
Listen, I stay out till 7.
I want to go home. I'm literally losing my voice. I can't even speak anymore. Oh my god, guys. I finally made it home. I'm tired. I'm drained. It's 5 in the morning now. And I've been up since 5 yesterday. So my brain has been continuously running. Guys, the amount of money spent on cab today. Do you know what? I am going to drive. We definitely need to drive. But anyways, I'm tired. I need to sleep. And it's been a long night. Like, it's been a long day, to be honest. And all I need right now is my bed. It's a good thing I already cleaned up my face. So I'm just gonna go bed. So I hope you guys enjoy my vlog. And you already know the vibe. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And I'll see you on my next video.